Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Oracle Love Light. So we are just going to jump right up on into this. I am going to start off by making some matcha tea. Oh my gosh, some matcha tea. I'm going to start off by making some matcha tea. Now, for when you make matcha tea, if you don't have that matcha whisk, little brown whisker that you put in to kind of like separate the tea, just use your frother. That works perfectly. Well, mine works perfectly. I just stir it up a little bit with the spoon to kind of break it up. And then I use the frother to kind of really get it in the mix. So we are going to pour about 3 tablespoons of half and half in the cup, and then I'm also going to use a little teeny bit of monk fruit sweetener, probably like a teaspoon worth, and I'm also going to put in my caramel syrup. I'm going to mix this first with a spoon, then I'm going to use the frother to get it as thick as I want it. Some people don't like it really thick because they like for it to kind of pull down into the matcha. I like mine really thick on top and let it slowly creep down. And also when I drink the matcha, I'll get this sweet cream first, and then you'll taste the matcha. This drink is so freaking delicious. Now you can mix your matcha with just water or just almond milk. I do both. I pour it with water and almond milk. But this drink, y'all, is so good. It is so freaking delicious. I love drinking this now. It's so good. All right, so for breakfast, I am just going to be making just a regular old bacon and egg scramble. I'm going to be using 2 eggs, a couple red peppers and yellow peppers. And I'm also going to season it with Italian seasoning. Lots of onion powder because I didn't have time to cut up an onion because I wasted my time cutting up this little broccoli florets. Because I'm going to put them in there too. But we're going to use loads of onion powder. Also red pepper flakes, Italian seasoning, and parsley. Now I'll let you get into it because I know I am running my mouth a little bit too much. So I'll let you get into it.
I used to be so hung up, every night getting drunk, thinking of you with her. Didn't know what to do but cry and call you up. Oh baby, how it hurt. It feels so good to finally say I feel nothing, so moving on.
So I do want to stop this part right here. So today I cooked these eggs in extra virgin olive oil. So this is why I like cooking my eggs in butter, because when you make it in butter, it gives it a more creamier texture than it does when you're cooking it in oil. It still turned out good, but y'all, I should have made my eggs in my butter.
To wait by my phone, never brought anyone home, hung on to your t-shirt, never wanted you to go, chose to be alone.
All right, you guys, so this is just a little snippet of me being in class. I normally do these for the shorts, but I'm like, I might as well add you guys in this too today. Moving right on to lunch, I just steamed some shrimp. My daughter got me these shrimp. Y'all know what she do when she get me shrimp. Now this time she got me ones that wasn't pre-cooked, but they was no shells. It didn't have any shells on it. Anyway, though, I just steamed some. I just put Old Bay and parsley on it, and that's it. And I'm just going to eat it just like this. I put some of the little juice from the shrimp. I just poured it on top, and that is going to be my lunch. That's about 20 shrimp. All right, y'all, for a quick snack, I am starting to just do a tablespoon of this almond butter. It's quick, it's easy. I will just nibble on this as if like I'm eating like little pieces of candy and drink it with tea or water or the rest of my matcha or coffee that I had that morning, because my cup of coffee or cup of matcha lasts all the way up until like almost dinner. Isn't that ridiculous? Now, if I'm drinking tea, I'd be on my second cup by now. All right, you guys, so for dinner, we are just going to be making some shrimp to throw on top of a salad. So I'm just going to be seasoning with Old Bay seasoning, Italian seasoning, loads of garlic powder, and a little bit of red pepper flakes. Just going to put this in the pan with about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to let this cook. And I made a nice dinner for my girls. And all of them except for one. I took my oldest girl back to college on Monday, my baby. But that's my baby, y'all. I love her. I just love her. I think she is just the sweetest kid, the sweetest person I know. She just, if I start talking about her too long, y'all, I would cry. I would cry. That's how sweet and how proud I am of her. Oh my gosh. Like, I love all of my kids and I'm so proud of all of them. But it's like, when you start talking about them and thinking about them, it do something to your heart. It really, really does. Anyway, let's get back on track. So I'm going to show you my dinner and then I'm going to show you what I made for them.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through.
All right, y'all, I just wanted to give you a snippet of how we set the table up for the girls so they can eat their little shrimp Alfredos. And they like the shrimp Alfredo with these kind of noodles, so I always make it with those kind of noodles. They had fresh baked bread, a nice salad, and shrimp Alfredo. All right, you guys, so the day was 1,424 calories and it was 20 net carbs. That is going to be the end of this video, you guys. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. And for my OGs, thank you for your love and support. It really means a lot. And if you guys can hit that like button, that really will help my channel out a lot. Let me tell y'all, a sister was extremely busy today, but guess what? We pushed through because we soldiers around here. Anyway, you guys, I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.